guys, it's FunToyLand. I am going to show you how to write the letter A in capital letters and lowercase letters. Find yourself a pen and let's get started. Welcome to FunToyLand. When I write my A's, I start out at the lower left corner here. A. Let's write it again. Let's write another row of the letter A. Here is 2 rows of capital letter A. Let's write 2 rows of lowercase a. Do another row of lowercase a. And that's all there is to it. So if you want to get better at writing, just practice. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Bye!
Thank you for watching! Did you have fun? Please like, comment, and share this video. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to FunToyLand to watch more fun videos like the ones you see here. If you are on a computer or tablet, you can click on the screen to choose the video to watch, or you can click the little eye at the top of the screen to choose a video from the drop-down menu. See you in the next video, everyone!